Using cucumber peels on window frames is a simple trick that can bring surprising benefits. When peeling cucumbers, most people throw the skins away, not realizing they have practical uses. Cucumber peels contain natural oils and aromatic compounds that gently freshen the air and help neutralize unpleasant odors. But that's not all. In a moment, I'll tell you exactly why it's worth trying. Fresh peels, preferably cut into strips, should be placed in the corners of window frames or used to gently wipe the surface. Repeat every 2 to 3 days to maintain the effect. You can also make a natural spray. Pour about 1 cup of water and 1 cup of vinegar into a spray bottle. Vinegar has cleansing properties. Add some cucumber peels and a few allspice berries. Allspice has a strong, spicy aroma that not only freshens the air, but is also extremely unpleasant for certain uninvited guests. Leave the mixture for a few hours so the ingredients blend well, then spray the frames and window crevices. These methods effectively repel cockroaches, making it harder for them to enter your home. They make cockroaches steer clear of your house altogether. The strong scent of the mixture repels and confuses them. When used regularly, it not only prevents their appearance but also keeps your surroundings clean and pest-free. Just a few drops of this pink mixture on your window frames, and that annoying problem will disappear immediately. You'll save money on expensive professional services. Get a small, clean bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar. It's a great base for this homemade mix. Next, add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Baking soda is a versatile household ingredient with properties that work well in hard-to-reach places. Now add something everyone has in the kitchen. Dish soap helps the mixture stick better to surfaces. Add 1 tablespoon to the bowl. Pour in 1 tablespoon of vinegar, which will boost the effect of the other ingredients. The next ingredient is toothpaste, which improves the durability and effectiveness of the mix. Stir everything very thoroughly. That's key to combining the ingredients. Use a syringe to draw up the mixture and apply it into window frames, especially in cracks where unwanted guests may appear. Also use it around windowsills, balconies, and trash areas. This natural method repels insects, cockroaches, and other pests. It works quickly, effectively, and without using harmful chemicals. If you do this, moths, ants, and cockroaches will flee from your home. You'll never have bugs in your kitchen again. If you spot pantry moths in your kitchen, act immediately. These insects can infest anywhere that's dry and has plenty of food. Grab a bowl and some ground coffee. 3 tablespoons will be perfect. Coffee gives off a strong scent that repels insects, discouraging them from settling in cupboards or pantries. Take a few bay leaves and crush them into smaller pieces. Bay leaves also work as a natural repellent due to their strong essential oils, which insects avoid. Add a tablespoon of ground pepper as well. Pepper contains piperine, which irritates insects. It not only repels bugs but also disrupts their communication and navigation abilities. Wrap everything in a small packet and poke holes in it. Place it in different areas. Ants, flies, moths, and aphids avoid areas where they smell these spices. Putting them where insects appear helps protect your food from pests. It kills all pests in 5 seconds. You will need a jug or another container. Pour a liter of water into it. Take regular flour from the kitchen cabinet and add 1 tablespoon to the water. Then add 2 tablespoons of dish soap. Mix everything thoroughly so that the flour dissolves and doesn't form lumps. Next, using a funnel, pour the mixture into a spray bottle. Apply the spray after sunset. Use it regularly on flowers. This will help control pests and protect the plants from their damage. You can use it on succulents, flowering plants, or regular houseplants. It combats various pests, such as aphids or spider mites. When mixed with water and dish soap, the flour creates a sticky layer that settles on insects, making it difficult for them to move and breathe. This method works naturally and safely, minimizing the risk of plant damage and reducing the need for chemical pesticides. Leave it by the door. You'll get rid of the problem and your home will be safe. For this trick, you'll need a few lemons. Cut the lemons in half, then squeeze the juice from all of them. Next, take a few jar lids and place a lemon half on each one. Make sure to cut off the ends of the lemons so they lay flat. Pour a little olive oil, or regular oil, into each lemon peel. Add a few drops of essential oil that is an effective mouse repellent. Then, prepare a mortar and pestle and grind some coarse black pepper. Add a little of it to each lemon. Mix the ingredients well inside the lemon. This mixture will not only help keep rodents away, but will also freshen up the air inside your home, effectively fighting off unwanted guests. The essential oils in the lemons have a strong scent that can irritate a mouse's sense of smell, discouraging them from staying in specific areas. That's why it's best to leave such a lemon lid by the front door. Regular use of this method can help prevent mice and rats from entering your space. I placed it all around the house, and I couldn't believe the results. Prepare a small dish. Add 3 teaspoons of coffee. Add 2 teaspoons of dried or fresh mint. Add half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Mix all the ingredients together. Prepare a small piece of aluminum foil. Sprinkle a pinch of the mixture onto it. Fold it in such a way and poke holes in it with a toothpick. Prepare a few such foil packets. Cover the rest of the mixture with a larger piece of aluminum foil. Poke a few holes in the foil with a toothpick. Place this dish on a windowsill or a shelf. Leave the small foil packets in various places around the house. You can place them by the doors, on the windowsill, or in kitchen cabinets. The ingredients in this mixture repel many insects, such as flies, mosquitoes, ants, moths, and even spiders. At the end of summer, it's the perfect way to protect your home from various pests. Sprinkle cloves onto a piece of cotton wool. This trick will help you eliminate household problems. Take a wet baby wipe and place the cotton wool on it to act as a scent carrier. Then, sprinkle the cloves on top. Cloves have antibacterial and antifungal properties and a strong scent that repels certain insects. Drizzle some lime juice, which adds antibacterial and refreshing qualities. Roll up the cotton with the cloves, then fold everything inside the baby wipe. Tie the ends with a string or rubber band. These little bundles are a lifesaver if you have pests in your home. Place them in your closet to protect your clothes from moths. You can also put them on shelves. These bundles will keep bugs away and leave a pleasant scent for a long time. After a few days, when the scent fades, replace them with new ones to keep your clothes smelling fresh. You can also experiment with different scents to find the perfect combination for your wardrobe. I got rid of rodents from my home once and for all. They now avoid my house completely. The first thing you need is a plastic bowl. Add 3 tablespoons of wheat flour into the bowl, then add 2 tablespoons of powdered yeast. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of grated cheese. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly. Leave this bowl outside your home or near the entrance door. Cut some lemons in half. Squeeze the juice out of all the lemons. Then prepare a few jar lids. Place a lemon half on each lid. Make sure to cut the ends of the lemons so they sit firmly. Pour some olive oil into each lemon half. Add a few drops of essential oil and a bit of pepper. Mix everything inside the lemon carefully. Then leave such a lemon lid trap outside your home.